If something happened to you today and you couldn't speak, who would make your medical decisions? In Florida, you can ensure that the right persons are involved with your medical care through the Designation of Healthcare Surrogate document. Hi, my name is Tiffany Oliver, your favorite Florida estate planning and probate attorney, here to give you some recommendations on how to choose the right healthcare surrogate in Florida. So the healthcare surrogate document applies in various circumstances. It could be where, unfortunately, you're in a car accident, now you're in a coma, you literally cannot speak to anyone. If you, right now, you have mental capacity, but later down the line, if you are going to suffer from dementia, you want to ensure that the right persons are there to speak to the doctors. Sometimes a healthcare surrogate document is even used for those who can communicate with doctors, but they have a long-term illness and they rather someone else deal with the medical staff and then come to them. So people who have cancer, people who have any type of long-term illness like Parkinson's or anything, you want to make sure that the right people are around you to speak with the doctors and then come speak to you. When choosing a healthcare surrogate, it's recommended that you focus on three key things. First, select someone who would make medical decisions the way that you would. Not just someone close to you, but someone who you have confidence in that they will follow your wishes, even in difficult moments. And one who has a reasonableness to speak with doctors and nurses and ask questions to make informed decisions regarding your healthcare. Second, it's highly recommended to name successor surrogates. If your first choice can't act, having a clear backup avoids delays and prevents the decision from defaulting to someone you may not have chosen. Third, include at least one surrogate who is younger than you. This helps to ensure the document remains effective over time. One bonus tip: when you have a healthcare surrogate, have the conversation. Your surrogate should understand your values, preferences, and limits before they're ever needed.